Many traders fail prop firm challenges not because their strategy is bad, but because they don't fully understand the rules. Or worse, they break one small rule and instantly lose their account. In this video, I'm going to break down FTMO rules in the simplest way possible and show you the exact mistakes you must avoid if you want to pass. Before we even talk about FTMO specifically, you need to understand how prop firm challenges work. A prop firm like FTMO gives you a simulated account, for example, $10,000, $50,000, or even $200,000, and your goal is simple. Hit a profit target, follow strict risk rules, prove you can manage money. If you pass, you get funded and can keep up to 90% of the profits. But here's the problem. Most traders only focus on the profit target, like making 10%, and completely ignore the rules. And that's exactly why they fail. FTMO is not testing how much you can make. It's testing how well you manage risk. If you want to try FTMO yourself, I've put the link in the pinned comment so you can go directly and create your account. Start with a smaller account first. Understand the rules, then scale up. The most important rule you must understand is the maximum daily loss. For example, if your account has a $10,000 balance, this includes both closed trades and floating losses. Floating loss hits $500, you've already failed. So even if your trade is still running, if your traders think they're safe because they didn't close the trade, but FTMO counts equity, not just balance. This is your total loss limit, usually 10%. So on a $10,000 account, that's $1,000. If your account equity drops below $9,000 at any time, you fail. Over-leveraging or revenge trading after a loss. One bad day plus emotional trading, ill account gone. Rule 3. Profit target. To pass phase 1, you usually need to make 10% profit. For phase 2, it's 5%. But here's the truth. This is actually the easiest rule if you respect risk. Trying to hit the target too fast. You don't need to make 10% in one day. Slow, consistent trading is what passes challenges. Rule 4. Minimum trading days. You need to trade for at least 4 days. This doesn't mean you need to trade every day, just open at least one trade on 4 separate days. Passing the profit target in one day and thinking you're done. You still need to complete the minimum days. Rule 5. Consistency and risk management. FTMO is looking for consistency. That means don't risk 5% on one trade, don't go all in, don't gamble. A good rule is risking 0.5% to 1% per trade, doubling lot size after a loss to recover faster. That's the fastest way to fail. Rule 6. News trading and discipline. FTMO allows news trading, but it's risky. High volatility can hit your stop loss instantly and break your daily loss rule. Trading during big news without a plan. If you want to pass FTMO, stop thinking like a gambler. Start thinking like a risk manager. Your goal is not to make money fast. Your goal is to protect your account, because if you protect your account, profits come naturally. To summarize, respect daily loss. Control your risk. Don't rush profits. Stay consistent. If you follow these rules, you're already ahead of 90% of traders. And remember, passing FTMO is not about being the best trader. It's about being the most disciplined. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more trading strategies and prop firm tips. And don't forget, the FTMO link is in the pinned comment. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video.